ओके, जो नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, इसमें दिया है पार्टिकल ऑफ मास m एट रेस्ट splits up into two particles of masses m1 and m2 having non-zero velocities. So let's say this is a particle of mass m and it splits up into, so it splits up into two particles. तो ये जो split up हो जाएगा two particles of masses, let's say एक mass आपका बन जाता है m1, so it moves in this direction with this velocity v1, and the other one, दूसरा आपका mass हो जाता है m2, it moves in the opposite direction. तो split up हो जाएगा, दोनों opposite direction में जाएंगे. We have to calculate the ratio of de Broglie wavelengths associated with the two particles. तो इसकी de Broglie wavelength और इसकी de Broglie wavelength means we have to calculate their ratio associated with these two particles. ये आपको calculate करना है. So this we have to calculate. Okay, so according to the law of conservation of momentum, इसमें हम लगाएंगे. देखो इसका जो momentum है for this, अब मैं ये इस तरफ जो velocity है, let's take it as positive and this one as negative. So this one has momentum is equal to negative m1 into v1, and this one has momentum m2 into v2. So according to law of conservation of momentum, initial momentum is equal to final momentum हम use करेंगे according to according to law of conservation of momentum, this initial momentum should be equal to final momentum. Now initially ये particle जो है, this particle was at rest, so इसका initial momentum is 0 because it's at rest. Final momentum हो जाएगा आपका p1 plus p2. तो 0 is equal to p1 है आपका negative m1 into v1 plus m2 into v2, which gives me m1 v1 is equal to m2 v2. ओके, यहाँ से मैं v1 बाई v2 इसको आ जाएगा आपका m2 बाई m1. ओके, v1 by v2 is equal to m2 by m1. Let's keep this. Now the de Broglie wavelength जो है, that is given by the formula h upon p, where h is the Planck's constant, this is m into v. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा h m1 v1, इधर आ जाएगा h upon m2 v2. So this is equal to m2 v2 upon m1 into v1. So m2 v2 upon m1 into v1, which is equal to, मैं लिख सकता हूँ इधर m2 upon m1 is equal to v2 upon v1. अब इसको मान लेता हूँ इक्वेशन 1. यहाँ से m2 upon m1 जो है, that is equal to v1 upon v2. So let's put in the values here, substitute the values. So this is equal to v1 upon v2 into m2 और m2 by m1 की वैल्यू डाल दी, v2 by v1 equal to 1. So the ratio of the respective wavelength of the two particles is 1:1.